Hello everyone. Today we'll start with the new chapter which is buffet. So let me start with the introduction. In culinary terminology, a buffet is a large tire stand on which various dishes of fish, poultry, meat, cold sweets, vegetarian items, crisps and non-crisps are arranged in decorative manner. It is a most agreeable and practical way of serving guests because it is so versatile and can be adapted in many ways. A buffet can be used at many kinds of formal, informal, entertainment, reception, weddings, birthdays, dances, and host of similar occasion. A buffet can successively used when it is necessary to provide a substantial meal in an informal atmosphere for a large number of guests. In fact, buffet is used as a short window and even the showpiece of the establishment. So, points to be observed in planning and organizing a buffet. So, if we want to organize or plan a buffet, what all things that we need to keep in mind before planning that buffet? First thing that we need to keep in mind or observe is relationship of food among various drinks. In arranging cold buffet, the same rule must be followed as for food service in hot cuisine. If the guest is to step up on the right side of the buffet to follow the line to the left, the food items must be from the left to right in order of regular meal. The next thing that we need to keep in mind is section and placement. A good section of food items for a regular buffet should include those enlisted on the complete menu. Classic menu is divided into several groups and the guest make selection with or without regarding of grouping. Next thing is presentation to the best advantage. An artist would never present a plating without suitable frame. Likewise, food must be presented in a correct platter or dish. Most silver platters are made of board design. This board must never be covered since it is meant to enhance the content on the platter. With the appeal supply of platters, half of the battle is on. Next is additional decoration and edible pieces. When there is daily buffet setup, economy must be considered. It is possible to display a few items that are not edible, though they have to appear of edible food. Also, they will not have the fault of coloring or bad odor. Next thing is the centerpiece. If a buffet is small or single outstanding platter be used as a main point of attraction in laying buffet. Situation may demand building a scaffold to support the heavy centerpiece that will stand out from all other food in the buffet, or for a classic buffet, an ice carving or floral decoration is proper. Next is the layout and carpenter work. Layout of buffet depends upon many times. Even dining space is different. the different cells for the study of space. In order to locate the buffet properly, the table should be as near as possible to kitchen and convenience of replacement. The various layouts are I-shaped, broken I, L-shaped, U-shaped, V-shaped. Plan your buffet preparatory. Work a day in advance to convince. Make some drawing and select the best plan. Decor should benefit the occasion. Therefore, work must be planned. Buffet controls may depend on food cost control, which includes correct selection of raw materials, optimum utilization of overhead and labor, standardization of points, and portion control. Service at buffet. During the buffet service, some of the staff must be portioned behind the buffet for service and replacement of food and beverage. Others should circulate the room with food and also clear away the dirty plates that can accumulate. So these are the few points that you need to remember while you are planning any kind of buffet. So thank you for watching the video.